Actually, okay, yeah. I was surprised. I just felt like it was a bit suspicious, a little. But I disregarded it a couple of times because I'm like, yeah, it's Nee. Maybe because Nee is like his best friend, and that's why I was so serious about the proposal. He made me even edit the poem for God's sake. I was like, oh, okay. He even asked me what idea would work between a restaurant or a video, and I just thought I was sincerely helping somebody out. I was like, oh, if they ask me, I prefer a movie where people are around like that, and after the movie plays. So okay, I came late for the whole thing because I was trying to fix my nails. Everybody in the office was just shouting that I mean, you don't fix your nails, you don't fix your nails this year, blah blah blah. I said okay, because I know I'm going to teach in church tomorrow. I'm like, okay, I only have today to do it, so I did it this afternoon, and then came here. I was like, okay, movie has started, but we moved. Then at the end, I was even finished sleeping. So I was already I was sleeping, closed my eyes, opened this. So when it ended, I just closed my eyes a bit. Only to open, I see my picture. I'm like, what are you doing? That is, if I what is this? What are you exactly doing? But yeah, I see trees. I did not shout because I was trying to compose myself. But yeah, okay, it's beautiful to see. I was shocked to see Pastor Philip and his wife. I was shocked to see. Well, I know that they will not miss it, but yeah, I was still surprised to see them. I look forward to our marriage. I know God, yeah, God is involved, and I'm happy to do this with Him. Yeah, this will make me go and sleep and think again because I like to think, but yeah, I think I made the right choice, right? I'm happy, thank you.
I'm excited, I'm finally leaving the streets. You know, it's been a long time coming, but you know, God has settled me. It's actually a long time coming. Thank you to family and friends that made it to today's event. We are really grateful, myself and I are really grateful, and very soon we invite you for the main day. Thank you. See you.